latest Thunderbird 8 on the team and working to move a couple of the jets around. And he'll be recovering as well. The U.S. Air Force Thunderbirds will be taking flight today at approximately 2 p.m. here this afternoon. Secure, our 5 nautical miles sterile as well, and we're going to be welcoming next to our show United States Air Force's F-22 Raptor demonstration team. Flown today by Captain Nick We're seeing a full maneuvering capabilities demonstration by America's premier 5th-generation stealth fighter. Last experienced fighter pilot having accumulated over 750 flying hours. Aircraft such as the T-6 Texan II, the T-38 Talon, and now the F-22 Raptor, since he began his Air Force career in 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time. Please welcome the narrator of today's F-22 Raptor flight demonstration from right here at Joint Base Langley, Eustis. It's Master Sergeant Brady Pummel.